Hey guys, Super Sarah here.
And not Super Johnny here.
And we're opening the Blizzard Cute But Deadly Series 2 mystery figures.
Battery.
Oh no.
It's empty.
I guess we're not going to be opening these.
Womp, womp, womp.
Maybe we can get a couple of them done? I'm going to go ahead. We're going to do like a two-part here. We almost got a full case of them. These are the ones that you can get. Okay. So, do 5 in one part and then 6 in another?
Yep. We're excited about the Overwatch ones.
Yes.
And everyone want that Illidan as well.
I want a Tracer. There's the pack.
I want to need a Sparrow.
Oh man. There we go. Oh my gosh, which one did you want?
Anubis Farah. Oh, yay.
First one I opened, guys.
Oh, she's awesome.
That was pretty lucky, I gotta say.
Mine? Mine?
Yep.
Mine?
It's yours.
Cool.
I'll get the base going.
Bastion would be awesome too.
Okay, we'll just put him. It's too much noise. So the Anubis Farah. Oh, it's 1 in 12 chance for each one of them.
Yeah.
So she has teeny tiny little feet.
So if you buy a whole case, you'll get them all.
Yeah, we're gonna be missing one. Good thing it's not this one.
Oh, cool. Got a Nova.
Hooray!
Uh-oh. How do you get this off?
But her legs are so tiny.
Oh, she's cool.
There we go. That Farah is pretty cool.
Awesome. She doesn't have a base. Or unless she does, and it's in that bag. Oh, yep. Base in the bag.
Alright. This one I can't feel around for because it feels like it's got a thing around it too. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge.
Ooh, that's mine. Mine.
Yeah.
Mine.
He's got a base too. So, this Illidan?
Yep, it's Illidan.
And he's from World of Warcraft, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, he's from World of Warcraft.
I got confused. He smells.
Yeah, I can smell him. Super cool. Here's another. Let's see if the camera doesn't die on us.
And Illidan only has one spot for his base. Ah, you can use the swords. Just little hands twist.
Sweet. Oh, let's see. Oh, guess what?
Did I get Tracer?
Got a Bastion.
Oh, well that one's really cool too.
Oh, he's broken.
Oh no!
See? He's broken. We'll have to
Super
glue them together. That's him with his little bird.
So cute. His arm is broken off?
No. His arms are there.
Oh.
It's his legs that are broken.
Got his base. John is having a hard time getting out all the pieces to deploy. This one feels big too.
Barbarian, maybe?
Maybe.
Oh, cool!
Alright, we got one of the treasure goblins. Loot goblins or treasure?
That one's a treasure goblin.
Okay. Oh, there's one of each?
Well, there's a treasure goblin and a rainbow goblin.
Yeah. Oh, sorry guys. Oh yeah, treasure goblin. Cool, and he does not have a base because he stands like that.
Oh, are we going to do another one? Or are we
No, we're going to do another video.
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
Bye-bye.
What was your favorite one? Tell us what
Ooh.
your favorite one was.
Ooh. Oh, you know. I'm hard pressed to pick a favorite. either the Nubisfera or the Bastion. The Nubisfera is my favorite character in Overwatch to play as, but this Bastion is like really awesome looking.
Yeah.
So I'd say if this wasn't broken, it'd be my favorite.
And I like the medic sniper the best.
Yeah, they're all cool.
All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye.